In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Miro board link accurately and effectively in 2025. This process is both straightforward and seamless if you follow the steps closely. Firstly, let's head over to the Miro website, where all the magic happens. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Miro.com. It's a familiar place we visit often, especially if you're a regular user creating fantastic visual boards for team projects or personal tasks. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button. Go ahead and click on it. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the sign in page. Here you have multiple options for logging in. You can either use your email or, for a quicker process, your Google account credentials. If you're someone who uses Google services frequently, it might be convenient to sign in with your Google account, linking all your applications seamlessly. After entering your credentials, click on Continue with Email. This progression will bring you to your Miro dashboard, the control hub for all your boards. Take a moment here. It's where you get to see a quick overview of all the boards you've created or shared with your team. Now, to share the specific board you're working on, locate the board in question. Next to its name, you'll find a simple but crucial icon, the 3 vertical dots. Click on this to open a drop-down list of options related to that particular board. Among them, you'll see the Share option. Go ahead and click Share. We now enter a critical part of the process where you must decide on the permissions for your board. Permissions control who can view or edit your work. Since security and accuracy are essential, change the permission settings to your preference. For this tutorial, let's change it to Viewer, which allows people to see the board but not make any changes or edits. This setting is perfect for presentations or when you need to get feedback without risking unwanted changes. Once that's set, the final step, locate and click on Copy Board Link. It's as simple as that. You've securely set your board to be viewed by others and copied the link needed to share. Now you are ready to send this link to your colleagues, friends, or anyone who needs to take a look at your work. Remember to paste this link into a secure channel or email to ensure it's received by the right people. With that, you've successfully prepared and shared your Miro board link. Whether for collaboration, feedback, or showcasing your creative efforts, you've gone through these steps efficiently. Congratulations on mastering this process.